Hi guys, this is Mama B, and I'm going to give you a great tip how to get more subscribers to your channel very quickly. Yeah, so a lot of us are using our social icons to send people over to our YouTube channel, but you might be sending them to the wrong URL. So what you want to do is stop sending people to your regular YouTube channel URL. Instead, do this. Put your regular URL like usual, but add what I put on here at the end of it. I'll put the information below. So if you didn't know this, well, then you're very welcome. I'd appreciate it if you would consider liking my video, subscribe for more quick tips like this, and of course, hit the notification bell. It doesn't cost you anything, but it would help me with YouTube. So they will hopefully give this tip to other people, and that helps me with my channel. So I do appreciate this very much. So again, the information is very clear in the description below. Have a great day. Thanks again from Mama B.